Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day.
In today's video, I will talk about the weekly earning rates of the various passive income apps I use. I hope you had a chance to watch my previous video where I discussed how much passive income I've earned from these 12 applications in less than a year. I have included a link to the video in case you missed it. As promised in my previous video, this week I'll discuss how much these apps earn weekly and how your passive income will grow over time. Keep in mind that factors like your location, data speed, connection stability, data demand, app running time, and the number of active referrals all play a vital role in your income potential. So, your earning experience may vary. Feel free to leave a comment about your experience below. I'm happy to answer any questions to help you earn more. Interestingly, Honeygain secured the third spot this week. Over the past week, my passive income through Honeygain grew by 5.64%. That's significantly higher than most bank savings account interest rates. EarnFM took the second spot with an impressive growth rate of nearly 8%. While my earnings from Bytelixir increased by more than 11%, making it the highest earning app of the week. Great work, Bytelixir! Here is a detailed look at all the growth rates from last week. Keep in mind, your experience may vary based on your location, connection speed, stability, and data demand. Share your feedback in the comments if your experience differs. I have provided a link for each of these passive earning apps in the video description. Sign up using these links to claim your one-time bonus immediately. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.